Hi there, this is my lock, and this is an unbranded Discus Padlock. The original key had a crack down here and was in danger of snapping off in the lock, so I've cut a copy. It's quite grabby in the lock. The lock was quite dirty, so I've given it a bit of a clean. Let's make sure that's locked up properly. There we go. And I will use my my homemade shallow profile. And let's just get in there, start pushing pins. I thought I had felt movement there, but the tensioner slipped. There we go. So yeah, a lot of these discus padlocks aren't that difficult, but this one is yeah, just quite a low quality one. Oh. And it does take an ABUS blank, so it is supposed to be a copy of the ABUS discus padlock, but they've copied the look, but that's about it. Well, it still, has a certain amount of physical security about it. It has the shrouded shackle, and when on a hasp, that would offer reasonable protection, I guess, against cutting. There we go. Discus, I think it's is that a 4-pin or 5-pin? It's a 5-pinner, but not the best of bitting. These pins at the end there really just need a touch. There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.